How to download and install Capital One mobile banking app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Play Store from your device. Once you're inside your Play Store, tap on the search bar. Then type in Capital One Bank. As you do so, you will see Capital One Mobile. This is the application that you should have in your device. In order to download this app, tap on Install. Wait till this application gets downloaded in your device. And once it shows open, tap Open your Capital Mobile Banking application. And at this page, enter your username and your password. Once done, tap on Sign In. And this is how you install Capital One application in your device. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.